Hey everyone, this is my birthday today and it's storming outside bad. I'm about to open my presents. Woo. Wonder what this is. Oh, it's an activity tracker. This looks cool. It records your calories burned, steps, distance. See what's next. Wonder what this is. This is an East Plast. You can make slime.
What that is? What is that?
You can make slime out of it.
Slime?
Yep.
That's cool.
See what else there is. This is a Fidget Cube. I wonder what this is. Some socks.
What kind of socks are those?
Nike.
Is that what you wanted?
Yes. Let's see what else I have. I have an Adidas backpack.
Oh, nice. Ooh, I love it.
Let's see what else. It is from... It's from No Name.
It's from Grandma and Grandpa. Same.
Thank you. Let's see what this is. These are swim darts. Let's see what else I have. This feels like more clothes. Yep. I got some shirts.
Oh, open it up. Ooh, North Champs tank tops. You needed some of those, right?
Yep. I also got it.
Ooh, love that one. Love it. Oh, baseball shirt.
Look at that muscle shirt.
Whoop, whoop.
Let's see what else I got. This one's in Slackers Ninja line.
Hey, what is
Wow,
that?
what is that? It's some sort of American Ninja Warrior thing?
Hold it up, let me see it. Heavy?
Yeah.
Ninja Warrior Slackers line. That is cool. What? Do you like it?
Yes.
How much do you like it?
A lot. Let's see what this is.
Who's that from?
Uncle,
And
Auntie.
Nancy? Hold it up so you can see. Hey, you got it now. Oh, Nike shoes.
swish 'em.
Awesome. Wow.
You should move some of that wrapping paper out of the way. Like,
Yeah.
you got a lot there.
I wonder what this is. This one's from No Name.
Who's that from?
Yeah. And Papa.
What? Are you kidding me? You got
Two
a
pairs of shoes.
another pair of Nikes?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
I wonder what this is. This one's from Mom. Oh, the game of chess.
You told me you wanted what?
Chess.
Chess. So that says no stress chess. So it's an easy to learn way to play chess.
Yep. See what else I got.
What else is yeah. Let's go. Auntie and Uncle?
Yep.
Oh, is this
Yep. Rollerblades.
Rollerblades!
white box.
Come make the paper. Hold them up, hold them up.
Wow!
Nice.
Wow!
High bounce, roller blades. Oh, what do you say?
Thank you.
Way to go. Thank you.
Let's see what this is. This is Qixels 3D.
Oh, those are super fun. I love
Awesome.
those.
Let's see what else I have. Yep. This one is my Lego Darth Vader clock.
Tiger Darth Vader alarm clock.
Yeah,
What is that?
Darth Vader. See what this is.
What is that?
A box.
I like boxes. Oh, yes. What are those? Thank me.
They're guards for your rollerblades.
Knee pads and wrist guards and elbow pads. All right. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, way to go. You have more? Holy moly. Can't have a cookie kit without a Qixels.
Wow!
3D maker.
Woo! I want to do that tonight. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do too.
Wonder what else I have.
Yep, I'm gonna do that too. Yep. Hi, everybody.
Hold the paper. Don't hold the paper.
This is make your own slime.
Oh, cool. Let me zoom in for that. Nice.
Let's see what else I got. This is sorry.
Star Wars, sorry. Cool. Alright, what else do you have?
Last but not least, I have Junkum football.
Jukum football card game.
Yep,
Do you like football?
yep. Tell me in the comments which toy you like the best. Thanks for joining me for my birthday. We'll see you soon. Bye.